So I'm going to be giving you guys 5 different tips to help you fix getting green messages on your iPhone 13. Now, if you're tired of your messages appearing in green and you want to start sending messages as iMessages, there are several steps you can take to fix this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is actually just go into your settings and you need to check if iMessage is actually enabled on your iPhone. So go into your settings, messages, and I'm going to hold this up to the camera, but you want to toggle on this switch next to iMessage. This is going to ensure that all future messages you send will be sent as iMessages and they won't appear in green. Okay, the second thing you want to do is check if the recipient's phone supports iMessage. Now, this is a big one. So if the recipient's phone does not support iMessage, your messages will be sent as an SMS instead. So to check if the recipient's phone supports iMessage, look for the blue bubble next to their name in the Messages app. If their bubble is green, it means that they're not using an Apple device or that their iMessage is turned off. Okay, third, turn off send as SMS option. So this is going to be another thing that you need to check in your settings, and then you want to go back into the messages and you need to toggle off the switch next to send as SMS. So I'm holding this up to the camera so you can see. Okay, fourth, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Another reason why your messages may be appearing in green is you have a poor internet connection. So if your iPhone is not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, your messages will be sent as an SMS. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection by connecting to a Wi-Fi network or ensuring that your cellular data is turned on. You can obviously restart your iPhone as well. Okay, if nothing else is working, I would actually just recommend contacting your carrier. Some carriers may block iMessage on their network, which can result in your messages being sent as an SMS, aka green. So contact your carrier and ask them to enable iMessage on their network. But hopefully one of the other options helps you guys out. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'd also like to point out that you can get on our Tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you all in the next video.